It's not any legal process.
In the premise
it's
of
not
the
any legal process.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, but I'm talking about Temokun. I was with Sowore yesterday when he was arrested and he was taken to this people's office and we were together all through the day until he was detained. What happened here today? Let me just tell you what happened here today. The judiciary today, I think they were disappointed at the order of the court. They didn't inspect the court. They expected the court to either deny bail or if it's going to grant bail, to give conditions that the defendants will not be able to meet. The minute they discovered that the bail terms were so liberal and that in the next few minutes, the defendant will be on their way home. That was why they hatched that plan. That IPO, CSP, Iliasu, Barau, came here to cause commotion. Look at my hand. When we're struggling, this is blood. Yes, he came to cause commotion. They came to activate provocation. They wanted to it is not, there is no root.
No basis whatsoever.
And for you to know that it was a plan work, a police officer who was there laughing with all of us that is also
blood on his beep.
Yes, who said he's also a comrade. He just came, you know, with a piece of paper. We could not even assert what is inside. And we put one fundamental question that look, if Sowore and all of these persons are not able to perfect their bail and they are going to be remanded, they are going to prison. Where are the prison officials? Yesterday you deceive us when we were leaving FCT command. You said we were going to see the IG. Until we saw the gate of Abattoir, R0ughly. So there's no, we said, where are the prison officials? At that point, you could not answer that question.
And by law,
gave signal to all of them, more than 50 people. They refunded everybody. They destroyed the food sellers table. They even abducted some people.
Yes, and by law.
Who said they were recording? Sowore, look, we are not sure of his safety. We are not sure of his safety. He was refunded.
The person who has been granted bail to the prison. Not at all. My name is R0ughly. I'm a legal practitioner. With what I saw here today, I got so disappointed and frustrated because what we're seeing in this society, as if we're in a Gestapo society, which is not. They try to harass each and every one of us. The court has granted bail. Yes. The next thing, they brought the document and we asked, we want to see the content of this document. They insisted that no, we will not see. Let's know the place that the court has ordered that the defendant be taken to. They refused to show it to us. We insisted that that document is a public document that we had the right to see. Even Sowore himself insisted that he needed to see it, and they refused. The next thing, they were warning all of us, threatening us, wanting to beat us up because we want to fight for our right as a country.
This is the time judiciary need to prove to the world that Nigeria is not a banana republic. We are talking about court premises. Somebody, listen, I'm telling you that this is an affront to judiciary. And when we are talking about judiciary, we are talking about the bench and the bar. We are not calling MBA. Look at a colleague that came to do his professional work.
Yes, it's stained with blood.
You stain the color with blood. We are talking about in court premises. We are a judge. You came to this court that a purported court order was surveyed. Now you, knowing that the OC that I was calling, I was discussing, was only today by the Senate court. So when I was there waiting for OC letter, it was when a lawyer that served in my chamber and they saw the news. Say, is it not these people that police we are talking about? You now call this.
So it was not even the police that responded.
So you now put the call to me. Oga, I saw that Roy and some other person, so in the German Senate court, I'm here now. Please come. That was when I started to call them. So before I could come, you rush from town from Use to this place. They have secretly arranged them without allowing them to take their food. They do not take their food. So, and this is the first of this kind where somebody will be remanded. So we asked about when I came, they are already taking them back to prison. Because when I was coming, I saw them in their convoy taking them back to prison. We came to court. He said, my lord, we'll talk about this. But long story short, so we decided to file the application for them. Because they reminded them and adjourned the matter today. Friday.
From Tuesday to Friday. When they know that no council stood for them.
Yes, so we now find the application for them. So now, some people now said, they said that if we do not arrest Sowore, it will be like we are doing celebrity. Sowore came yesterday to visit Martin and told him to attend to his own trial. They got him arrested at the premises of the court.
Today.
Now, and arraigned him today. What was their offense? They said that they committed contempt of court. Now, it is very, very shameful that IGP that arrests young lawyers, that police lawyers that were called back a couple of months ago, that were advising them, did not allow police to advise him properly. Because once you commit contempt of court, you don't arrest the person that committed the contempt of court. It's the court. You go back to the court to say, my lord, see this Mr. A, who violated their court order. He has violated. My lord, what?
Serve them court for them.
My lord, what do you do for them? It's my lord that will order that arrest him, not to take him to court, bring him to that court. My lord will not ask him, why did you violate my court order? Before court will now remind the person.
Now, today they have been granted bail. What is their bail condition like?
The bail condition, of course, ordinary. Someone like Sowore, the presidential, he contested the president with the president.
So you mean that the bail condition was fair enough?
Listen, so that it should have been granted personal recognition in this funny charge. 2, Alloy Ejimako. Alloy is over 70 years. The senior citizen, house with senior one, is supposed to be granted personal recognition. We have been granted personal recognition. Other people probably that are not known for whatever reason should have asked to bring a shooting. But whichever that is the case, bail is at the discretion of the court, and the court has granted them bail. We are here now to perfect their bail condition. That's what we are doing.
Now I want to put one question to you, the council.
Make it clear.
Do you think that the federal government, who has abused court judgment, stands a chance to benefit from any court order against anybody?
In the first instance, this particular government, APC government, which we started experiencing since 2015, this is the first time we don't contest in Nigeria. Because as a student, I started protesting in 1994. We have been protesting under the leadership, including the state. But when APC government came, they started by immediately want to protest. They will now recruit counter-protesters and arm them to attack protesters. They have been doing it. You can see one of our companies in government gate. When the government went to protest in the national management, the federal government protected, gave those counter-protesters security, police, they nearly killed them.
Now, will it be wrong? Will it be wrong to say? Will it be wrong, council, to say that this government is a government of bandits and terrorists?
No,
with their behavior.
No. The only thing I can say is that this government is a government that encourages and they punish those who are exercising their fundamental right, because the number of canisters and tear gas they throw in on 20th on this protesters, they keep on living. I think that they go to Sambisa forest, we will not see any balance. The kind of gunshots they shot on Monday, the kind of police they deployed on that day, I think that they deployed it in Katsina and Zamfara. They will not like.
What a shame. I don't even know what this government want to turn Nigeria into. So guys, you've heard it. What's your take? Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral, so that the world go to see waiting this government to do. Thank you and bye for now.